Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I'm super excited about this video. So let's start. Here I have this pottery clay and it's for ceramic. It don't hardens up until it's been baked in clean. This art has been around for many years now. So this is a botanical art in which you make different impressions of plants, different things, a lot of ideas. So it's just vast. So what I'm doing here is I have taken this trinket dish and this is going to be my mold. So as you can see, I'm making a mold with this clay and I'm covering the trinket dish, the sides for making the housing for the mold. So this has all been made and I have removed the wooden trinket dish. And now as you seen me cutting this wheat, this was a wild plant and wild plants are the best, has the best impressions. So I am just simply pressing them onto the clay. When I saw these wheat, I think these are wheat plant. When I saw these, so I immediately thought that I will be making this with this in Jesmonite. So I did, and now I am making it. And now what I'm doing here is I am pressing this wheat into the clay. Make sure to press it firmly. The better you press, the better impression you will get. So here I'm making sure that it's been pressed firmly. So I get a very nice impression. So now I'm removing it carefully. I really don't want to disturb the trinket dish mold. This is going to be a really super organic shape. So I am not really worried about the perfection here because this is a handmade item and there will be imperfections in it. So I added black pigment into the Jesmonite and I am pouring directly into the clay now. And after 20 minutes, it's time to demold. Hi there. So it's 20 minutes and now I'm demolding it, but you will see that I did not wait that much. I had to wait. It was 20 minutes and it was still not cured. So something happened here. And there you go. It's been cracked. So I was disheartened, but immediately I made again, done everything the same, and I made it into this white one. I was really excited for the black because the idea was to make the black one. But when it broke out, I wanted to make, and this white came out so beautiful. You can see the impressions are so nice. So back to this black one. Here it is. This white one came out really pretty because I waited a lot for this, around 35 minutes. So let's see what we can do for that. I do get sometimes broken pieces. So what I do here is I use this magic clay. This is epoxy sculpt. It's a two-part mixing clay and it dries to a rock hard. It's waterproof and I do use this a lot in my other projects as you have seen. So what I'm doing here is I have mixed it and now I have taken this tiny amount. So this clay is a lifesaver. Along with this clay, I use this glue, this Gorilla Glue, and I put a tiny amount on both sides. And now I am attaching this clay on one side. So I have put glue on both sides. So as you can see, I am showing you here that I'm doing it on this side as well. So when you have a broken piece and you have to mend it, please follow these procedures and you can fix it. So with the strong force, I am fixing these two pieces. Try to rub the clay into the cracks. And now I will be using this tool to remove the excess clay. And now with this clay, I will be filling the cracks, just rubbing the clay onto the crack so that it will fill itself. I'm working it with, it's like a filler for me. So this clay is very good for this reason as well, that you can later on sand it, and it do sands very nice. You will get a smooth finish if you do it very nicely. But here I was going for an organic look, so I didn't bother that much. But this is a really good hack if you get a broken Jesmonite, because Jesmonite don't attaches itself to anything else other than its Jesmonite. But if sometimes things happen, you can use this glue, and this is amazing. So now I will let it dry for 1 day. This been dried for 1 day, and I have sanded it with the sandpaper, and it was a wet sanding. So here what I'm doing here is I have taken this gilding glue, again my favorite part, super duper favorite, so I have to use this every time. Although this time it was a fail, I shouldn't have been using it that much, because this was a very beautiful simple project, and it might have looked beautiful without any gold or just a little bit of, but I got overboard. I did remove some of the gold later on, but at this moment I'm applying this gilding glue, and I will leave it to dry so it gets sticky, and when it gets sticky I use the gold foil to rub it on. I was really excited about this black one, because the main reason for making everything was that this wheat will look so beautiful in the black, but the black one got messed up. So I might make another one later on. But this time the white one came out really pretty, and I shouldn't have touched it much because the impressions were great, but I did put a lot of gold in this one as well. So it's been all dried up, and you can see it's shiny. So what I'm doing here is I will be using the gold foil. This is the mirror gold, and then I will be using the gold foil also. And as you can see, I'm putting too much gold, and I can feel in this moment that I have messed it up. My wheat impression is gone, and but I did scraped all it off. So after scraping, you can see there I was successful in doing the white one, but the black one was very really hard. So now what I'm doing here is I am waxing my trinket dish, and I'm using the stone coat here. So link to all these products will be in my description. So if you like to buy anything, you can buy from there. So first of all, I will be rubbing it with my hands, and then later on with a soft cloth or a soft tissue paper, you can buff it up. They turn out really beautiful and organic. It's really depend on the mold or the dish you are making the mold out of. So this can be a really beautiful and sentimental gift for any loved one who love any sort of flowers or any other impressions. Anything they love, you can imprint them into the clay and turn it into a beautiful art. So these are done now. So here is the final look. So I hope you like them, and if you did, please let me know in comments. And also please do like, subscribe and share, and give me a thumbs up if you like. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.